That is it. Okay, sorry again, we minimum password length. So changes have been properly made. You can see using this command, using this command get default domain password policy. You can have the existing domain policy password history 24. That is actually we need to change, so we will change it according to our requirement that is required in the document. Okay, so we need to set these permissions. To do that, what we are going to do, we will use the set command, set default domain password policy, and then identify. Here we will use the domain name. This is actually our identifier, allenrus.com, and then we will set all the values above. The easy way is to copy all of them. So we will say lockout duration, right? This is lockout duration. Yeah, forget it. We can just do this without lockout duration. We will set it 5 minutes, and then we have lockout observation window. So we will set it to say whatever is required, say 5 minutes, and then we have lockout threshold. I mean, how many times if the user enters wrong password, this is actually the count. Lockout threshold is we set say we set 5 times, and then we have maximum password age. We have to set it to 30 days. This is 30 days. And then we have the minimum password age. We don't change it, we leave it as it is. So we are actually using only those we have to change. And then minimum password length is 10. It's actually required by the document that you have been provided. And then finally, password history count, which is 12. It's again the requirement of the document that you can see over here. So we set it all like this. Okay, so this is it. We enter and we got an error. Let's see. Okay, now let's try again. Let's do this. I have been doing a mistake. So we set default domain policy, identity is allenrus.com, and lockout duration is, say we give it 5 minutes, and then we have lockout, we leave it the observation, we don't observe it. Okay, yes, observation window, we need it. Lockout observation window, we give it 5 minutes, and then we have lockout threshold, and we say say 5. How many times does we have to give? 10 wrong attempts, 10 wrong attempts, 10. And then we have the max password age is 1 month, so we say it is 30 days. Right, and then we have the minimum password length, which is required 10. So, and then we have password history count 12. You can see now. So so far we okay, here we go. We are in